Okay, so now we're going to draw our bottom view. So click line, make sure it's in ortho mode is selected. Draw a line of any length, escape, and then we will draw the outside boundaries. So this is 5.175. Then you go down by 2.1, go to the right, 5.175, and then you go up to connect, and we will delete this line. All right, and then we will draw the top left, this portion right here. So, or actually, yeah, this whole portion. So we will, it's easy by the bottom view, or the front view, I mean, we go down by 0.8, and then we'll go to the right, 0.2 plus 0.6, which will be 0.8, enter, and then go up, escape. Okay, and then we will draw this portion right here. So let's do that. We need to go over, okay, so we go over the 0.2 plus 0.6 plus the, let's just do 0.8 because that's easy to calculate. And then we need to go over 0.375. Enter. Okay. And then we need to go up. From the front view, we can see we go up 0.5. Enter. Okay. And then we will go to the right 1.8750 from the top view. We can see that. And then hit escape. And then we will go over here and do a line. Okay. We will go up 1. Enter. Okay. And then we will go over 0.25, enter. I'm going to do escape. And then I'm going to take it off ortho mode and just draw this little corner really quickly. Escape. Okay. And then I'm going to turn my ortho mode back on, and I'm going to draw the remainder of my line. So an easy way we can calculate that is just to use our top view and do measure from, oh, let me start over. Measure from here to there, and that's 1.5. Okay. So, okay, okay, yeah, 1.5. So we'll do from here to 1.5, enter. Okay, then escape. Then we'll connect those two lines. So line, we will take off our ortho mode, go from there to there, escape. All right. And then if we look at our front view, the last visible line that we can see is right here. So let's draw that in. Okay. And then we can see that line right there is just the 0.6 over. So here, from here to 0.6. Oh, we want to make sure ortho mode is on. My computer is freezing for some reason. Okay. Then now 0.6, enter. Okay, and then up. Escape. All right. Amazing. Okay. So now we can go through and draw our hidden lines. Let's do this circle right here for right here. So in order to do that, we will draw, grab your line. From the top view, we can see that it is over 0.4. We'll go here. We go to the right, 0.4. And then we can go up that is going to be, yeah, go up, okay, to the perpendicular, up, okay, erase. And then we can actually offset the two lines. So we will do an offset, select objects, we want to offset this. Oh, actually escape, okay, offset again. And then first it says specify distance. So the radius, or the diameter is 0.2, so the radius will be, the diameter is 0.4, so the radius will be 0.2. So offset this by 0.2, and then offset that by, there's already that visible line there. So we'll make this a hidden line, escape, and then we'll make this a hidden line. Okay, great. So now let's do the hidden lines for these two circles. So we can see that there's a midpoint between this line. That will be a center line. So we can do a line at, make sure your midpoint is on. Okay, midpoint. So we will do, right there is the midpoint, down, escape. Okay, that will be our center line. Escape, and then we will, from our PDF, we can see that it's over, the circles are 0.3750 over. So let's just offset to get our line, and that would be 0.375 is our distance. So go this way, go this way, and then we see that the circles are down from, they're down by 0.25. So we will go down to say 0.25, okay? And then we can just go over here too, actually, to do a, have the center points of the circles. So, oh, we're actually not doing the center points, I'm sorry. Okay, so we have the center lines for that, and then we just need to offset from the center lines. All right. So click this, we want to offset it by it says the radius of those are 0.3750. So 0.3750 divided by 2. Okay, 0.1875. So 0.1875, enter. We'll offset this way, offset this way, and then yeah, it's going to be center line, offset that way, and offset this way. All right, and then escape, and let's make some of those lines thick continuous lines so we don't get confused. Or actually, those are hidden lines, I'm sorry. So these two are hidden lines as well. Hidden lines. All right, amazing. And then we can actually delete that center line right there. Okay. All right, and then we can go through and then draw the called holes over here. So we know that those holes are located to the right by 0.8750. So 0.8750, and then we can just draw a big center line up to the top, just for our reference. Okay, so we'll do a center line. Awesome. And then we know that the diameter for the first one is 0.5, so we can do a line, can go 0.5, okay, 0.5, enter, and then we can just go, oh, the diameter is 0.5. So it's going to be 0.25. So go over here and then do 0.25, enter. Okay, it went up. So, all right, let's try this one more time. Okay, we can go to line and we will go to the right. I'm just going to do that. So 0.25, enter. And then we'll go up 0.5 and do the same over here. So 0.25, enter, go up 0.5. And then the other circle is 0.75. So we know that it actually, there's the first part goes down by 0.15. So let's do that. Okay, so we can say that actually, let's just do our offset. We can do another line. So then we will say that, let's just do an offset. And then from 0.5 to 0.75, the difference of that will be 0.25. And then you have to divide that by 2 to get the radius. So 0.125. So we'll do 0.125, enter. And then, select object. And then we'll select object this way. All right, and then we know that it goes 0.15 down. So down 0.15, enter, and then go to the right, escape. And now let's do some trimming. So we'll go to trim, hit enter on the keyboard. Okay, then click crossing, and we can delete this line, and these lines right there. Okay, then hit escape. And then let's make these lines all hidden lines. Right, awesome. And then let's draw our, we have drawn all of the hidden lines, and now let's draw the 2 circles. So we have one circle here, and we know that it is, from the picture, it is 2.1 minus 0.6 minus 1. So that will give you the center point from the bottom, or you can just go to the left 0.875, which is that, and then from here go down by, we have a dimension of 0.6. Okay. Then escape. So then we'll do a center diameter circle that is 0.4. Okay, and then we just need one more circle over here, and that is going to be centered at 2.1125. So let's draw a line. 2.1125, enter, and then we will, let's see here, we go down the 0.6 again, escape, and then we'll draw a center diameter circle, and our diameter is 0.75. Okay, and then we will erase these lines, and then, we didn't make that a center line. So first, let's make our center lines look more like center lines. Okay, go to properties, right click, and then click properties, and then go here to line type scale and type in 0.25. And that will change the distances. Okay, then escape. Awesome. Oh, and then also for this one, we didn't do it in our top view, but we can actually hover over and click maybe stretch. Okay, and we'll stretch, don't move your mouse around. So we want to stretch it, let's just say by 0.1. Okay, and then you can go through and do that to the rest of your 0.1. So lengthen actually works better, lengthen. 0.1, and then, okay, click on this one, lengthen. Okay, we'll do 0.1, then lengthen, 0.1, and the last one, lengthen, hover over, lengthen by 0.1, and then hover over, lengthen by 0.1. And then we didn't lengthen the last one, so let's do that, lengthen, and then 0.1. All right, so that is the bottom view. Oh, I'm sorry. One more thing I noticed that we didn't do is go to annotate, center mark, click there, center mark, click there, escape, and then we can change both of these to center lines. All right, amazing. Now that is